Deepa. Here's our new customized apron. Thanks to our tailor.
Yeah, you guys loved our video where we made one batter with 4 recipes. We're doing the same thing today. One sauce with 3 recipes.
It's going to be quite interesting. Just a sauce that's so simple and easy to make. We're going to make a starter, snack and a curry recipe with that.
To make the sauce, you'll need half a kg of tomatoes,
10 to 12 garlic pods,
some salt to taste,
2 to 2.5 teaspoon of chili powder based on your spice.
and a 1/4 cup of oil.
To make the sauce, add the half kg of cut tomatoes,
Our garlic cloves,
chili powder,
and our salt.
blend it into a fine puree. In a wide bottom pan, heat oil and add the blended puree. Cook it on a high flame. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. The curry sauce will be ready. This sauce base can be used for a variety of dishes. Today we are going to see 3 recipes. This sauce is getting ready and you can store this in refrigerator for at least 15 days.
Let's start making our first recipe using this sauce. It's tomato basil soup. For this, I'm going to turn on my stove. And then I'm going to add in half a tablespoon of butter. Now my butter has been melted. Into the pan, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of chopped onions. Also, if you guys want more soup recipes, we've left the link in the description box of our soup playlist. Now, I've taken half a cup of my sauce that we've made. I'm just gonna add it in. I'm gonna give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of basil. You can also add in your fresh basil, but we don't have it in hand today. To this, I'm gonna add half a cup of water. And then I'm gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. Now it has come to a nice boil. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now I'm gonna also give it a nice mix. Turn off the flame. And my yummy soup is ready. Let's make bread pizza. For this I took 1/4 cup of sauce we made and I wanna pour some tomato ketchup. And I want to add some mixed herbs. I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to spread it till my bread is lightly toasted. This I'm going to add some capsicum. And the onions. And some cheese. I love my cheese. You can add some chicken or olives, but I don't have it today, so I'm just adding cheese and vegetables. And it tastes really good after you cook it. So I'm heating my dosa tawa, and I'm gonna place my pizza. So I'm gonna cover it with a lid. You can check it out after 2 minutes. The cheese will start to melt. Cook it on a low flame. Wow, the bread piece has been ready. Transfer it to a plate. Look at this, so yummy, and the cheese is so melty.
Now using this curry sauce, we are going to make a potato curry that goes very well with your rice, chapati or dosa. Let's start by heating the tawa, adding some oil. The oil is being very well heated. Let's add chopped onions. Saute it until it turns translucent. To this, I'm going to add some salt, some coriander powder. It's like half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and saute it very well. I'm going to add some cubed potatoes that's been boiled already. I'm using potatoes here You can use chicken, paneer, mushrooms or any other vegetables of your choice to make this curry. It's super simple. Saute it for just 1 to 2 minutes. I've taken 1/4 cup of the sauce that we have made. I'm going to add this to this. Mix it very well. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk to this. Use thick coconut milk. Cook for another 1 or 2 minutes and then garnish with cilantro. Wow! I know you guys would love all the 3 recipes. If you want more recipes using the same curry sauce, leave a comment below.
Yeah, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and bye!